everybody. I am here inside of a tunnel that is part of the historic railroad tunnel system that was finished in the year 1931 as part of the Hoover Dam construction project. Over here to my right is Lake Mead, and behind me, about 2 miles, is where Hoover Dam is. And they constructed these tunnels so that they could put train tracks in to carry in materials and supplies in and out as they were constructing the Hoover Dam. Now it's a trail that's about an 8-mile round trip, and it's actually a really nice, calm, peaceful hike. It's not so hot today because we're still in April. It's about 80 degrees. It's very nice. I can imagine it'll be hotter during the summer, obviously, with higher temps. Anyhow, just thought I would share this with you. It's pretty cool, and it's my first time to ever be here. Hope you're having a blessed day.